My name is Cesar and I am a Napa High School graduate. I took 3 years of machine tool technology courses at Napa High, not knowing that the program would provide me with a pathway to my future. The experience of working with a great teacher and exploring my creativity through hands-on work drove me to enroll at the Napa Valley College and pursue higher education and hopefully one day a career in machine tool technology. As I progressed through high school, my thoughts on college remained the same. I didn't see much value unless I really knew what I wanted to pursue. As I continued through the program at Napa High, I slowly began to think about what I was going to do after high school. Towards my last semester, I finally realized that I really enjoyed the hands-on experience that I gained through the program, and I finally found my reason to go to college. The Machine Tool Technology course, which is offered in partnership with the Napa County Office of Education, teaches you the art of precision metal fabrication. Machinists build and repair almost everything: engines, custom automotive components, winemaking equipment, and all kinds of parts and tools. With manufacturing on the rise, these skills are proven to bring many opportunities across all industries. Because my teacher allowed me to be creative and challenged me to do my best, I realized that the passion for engineering is ultimately driven by my ability to be creative and solve complex problems. My name is Cesar, and I found my passion through the Napa Valley Unified School District.